Hi, welcome to my 2022 room tour. I'm making this video because one of my TikToks got a lot of traction, and a lot of people are in the comments asking about where a bunch of things are in my room, and I feel like it's just easier to do it all in one short, quick, sweet little detailed room tour. I will be linking literally everything in this room in the description box below, and if there's anything that I miss, please let me know in the comments so that I can add it to the description box. With that being said, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and yeah, enjoy the video. So walking right into my room, this is what it looks like during the day. The camera does a little bit of shadowing in and out because of the different lighting in different areas of my room, but I try my best to keep it bright. I use this little ceramic bird to hold my door open because without it, it closes by itself. So behind my door, we have these hooks that I put all of my bags on, my backpacks, my tote bags, anything that I use more. Anything else goes under my bed. I also hide my hula hoop and my yoga mat behind the door because I think they're ugly and they don't really fit my room vibe, so that's my motto, hide anything that doesn't fit the vibe. You can kind of see it peeking out a little from behind the door, but it's not that big of a deal. Then we have this floating white shelf where I put my TBR books on top of because they're easy to access, and everybody is freaking out about this Coraline doll on TikTok. I'll link where I got it from below. I also have this little dead frog. And then we have my other floating shelves. A lot of people wanted to know where those were from on TikTok. I will be linking them below as per everything else in this video. But they make your books look like they're floating or they're just like stuck to the wall. So I really, really like these. Then we have my fake plants. All of the plants in this room are fake. A lot of people wanted to know what kind of plant that was. It's a fake kind of plant. I have these really cute rope hangings. Pretty sure I got them on Amazon, but I will link them. And then I have all these cute prints and Mitski posters. Also, people wanted to know how I got my controllers to stay on the wall like that. Command strips. Velcro command strips. A strip on the wall, a strip on the back of the remote. Makes them look like they're floating. I'll never lose a remote. It's like literally the best thing ever. And then there's always Jasper, who loves to get in the way of everything. Then we have my little nightstand. It's just a cube from IKEA. Pretty sure it's supposed to go on the wall, but I didn't have the wall mount, so it just sits on the floor now. And then I filled it with extra books and my journals and things. I have my alarm clock. And then we have my bed. I can link all of these pillows, all of these stuffed animals. The stuffed animals were gifts, but I'm sure I can track them down for those of you who want to know where I got them. This duvet cover, and these beautiful little fox sheets, plant sheets. They actually remind me of Anne with an E, if you know what that show is on Netflix. It's very cute, but I love my fox sheets. And then I have this minky blanket, which was a gift. They're like super soft and super expensive. But yeah, if you do want one, I will link them all below. Then we have my bed frame, which I love this bed frame because it's low to the ground, and I want my bed low to the ground, but off just enough to store things. As you can see by all my bins, I do store a lot of my craft supplies under my bed, just to get them out of the way. Then above my bed, we have these really cute mushroom hanging decor and more fake vines, obviously. Another fake plant because I can literally never have enough fake plants. So hidden between, oh, not hidden. This is a flower pressed artwork that I got from a small business at a little pop-up flea market. I'll try and find her business. I'm pretty sure I have her card somewhere. And then I have hidden mushrooms behind my monitor. This cart is my art supplies cart and my shipping supplies cart for all of my Etsy orders I get. I use this cart to just hold everything so it's all in one place. It's obviously very cluttered and ugly, which is why it's hidden between my desk and my bed. My desk I got actually has this cool little spot where you could put your headset. Oh, do not look at my cords. My cable management is non-existent. But you can look at my pretty pink gaming chair, which I actually love this gaming chair. I got it on Amazon and I will be linking it below. If you see the little shiny plastic, that's actually cat scratch guards because my cats love to scratch literally everything under the sun, and I was not about to let them scratch my very expensive brand new gaming chair. So they work very well, and even though they're not bedroom decor, I will link them below because I recommend these things like crazy. There's not a scratch mark on my chair. Then I got this really cute kitty paw pillow to go with it. Then you have my PC gaming setup. Some people were asking where I got my monitors from, and I will be linking those below too. Then we have my pink little keyboard and things like that. Again, will be linked. And then we have my neon sign, which was a gift. This is it during the day, and this is it during the nighttime. I love the way my gaming setup looks like, especially at night when I can turn my neon sign on, and it makes it all look very, very gaming like. But I will try and find where she got it from. Then we have my books I've already read on the super, super high up floating shelf because I can't reach that very often. So, and then we have my little Owen High School Host Club pencil case. I think that's a pencil case. And then we have some artwork that is one of a kind, and I can't link below because it was made. And then we have some pictures of Kyo from Fruits Basket, obviously. And then we have Princessa. She's sleeping in the sun. My whiteboard, I like to write what I need to do. You can see it, film a room tours on there. This is my iPad stand. I love it so much. I leave my iPad there to charge. It's the best. Moving up, we have my little lanterns with fake vines wrapped around them. Those lanterns do not come with the vines. FYI, I put the vines on them. So I wrapped them around my TV so it looks kind of like this when I'm watching something. Oh, there's Princess. Kind of looks something like this when I'm watching TV at night, except more dark because this is during the day. But they look super cute, and I love the like soft lantern look that they give. And then we have over by my TV another floating shelf. You can tell I love floating shelves. My Switch and my Switch accessories and some fake plants just to kind of keep the vibe going. I have my little loom hoops and a little drawing that my younger sibling did for me. And then we have more fake plants. I'm actually going to put a piece of furniture there, IKEA drawers for like craft supplies, but for now it's just going to house my fake plant. And then I also have this cute cat scratcher. It's pink mushrooms. I love him. It fits the vibe. My cats love this, and I honestly think it's one of the reasons why my gaming chair is not scratched up. So definitely get a cat scratcher if you have cats and you don't want them to mess up your gaming chair. We have these little frog, my little fake plant. Then we have this white thing, which is a litter box because I have to have one in my room with how many cats we have. But lucky for me, it's very discreet and you can't smell anything because of how discreet it is, this box. Some people don't even know I have a litter box in my room until I point it out. But I 10 out of 10 recommend this Discreet litter box from Amazon. I'll link it below. But it's so easy to clean and it keeps the smell all inside the little box. And you can put all your fun little knickknacks right on top. Like all my Coraline stuff. I have these Coraline coasters that were a gift. And this Coraline squid, which I actually make those and sell them on my Etsy, so I will link them below. And then all my little knickknacks, my tarot cards, some books, some, more knickknacks. And then we have my yarn cart. It's like the other cart earlier in my room, but it's only full of all of my yarn that I use throughout the week for projects for my Etsy and things like that. It's really cool just having it out and accessible, and I have all my extra yarn tucked away in my closet, which you will not be seeing my closet, but it is gross, full of things. So more fake plants, obviously, because I love fake plants. Some cute prints. Some of these prints are from like the flea market and things like that. and this really cute welcome sign that I got from Joann's. And that's my tour. Thank you for watching my room tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and please subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out and it only takes a moment. If there's anything in this video that I did not link in the description box below, please leave a comment below so I can get to you and answer all your questions. Thank you for watching.